Thanks for coming to this week's Sneak Attack! We'll find out where we're headed for next week's story, share some amazing-riffaroo animal facts, and ha-ha our hair ties off at some amazing jokes. Ready? Next week we're headed to the Dominican Republic! Dominican Republic. High five a stick, cause we're in the Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic. What rhymes with Dominican Republic? Oh, toothpick? Like those tiny sticks you use to get broccoli out of your teeth? Fish sticks, those crispy golden fish snackaroos that are sometimes shaped like dinosaurs. And one more. Picnic! Those outdoor feasts you can share with seagulls. Back off, beaky butt. Okay, ready, tiny teddies? Let's have a picnic. Munch on some fish sticks and ride a toothpick all the way to the Dominican Republic.